Subscribe to the Vedanta Vision YouTube channel and tap the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever we upload a new inspirational video.
We often think that to be spiritual, we need a change of scene, that we need to change the location, our environment, and move to what we consider as a more spiritual environment. That's not true. What is required is change of self rather than a change of scene, which means a change of attitude, a slight shift in the way we look at things. So what is the shift that we're looking for is the question. First of all, primarily, we need to move away from our resentments. Every one of us is full of resentment, something or the other from the past that we carry over into the present and ruin our future as a result of that. All of us have something or the other to crib about, to complain about. One person says, my parents didn't educate me. Another lady the other day said, I don't know why my parents got me married to this fellow. Now that's over and done with 40 years ago. There's no point talking about it now. Then all kinds of things. You're resentful for what people have done or not done to you. The point is, it's all in the past. Whatever it is, however justified you may be, it's all in the past. You may have had a difficult childhood, you may have had difficult parents, you may have had conflict situations. But the thing to do is to let go. Because for the simple reason that it is not the situation that is bothering you, it is your mind and this deadly enemy of a mind that you have, which has the tendency to focus on one or two things that you have been deprived of. And even those one or two things that you believe you've been deprived of are imaginary. They're not for real. And because of that, you destroy your mind, you destroy your body. And that is why the Upanishad calls us all suicidal. So instead, shift your focus. The first sign of spirituality is to understand that I have been totally ungrateful. And I need to take a look at the millions of things that I've been blessed with right now, here. As long as you're looking at your resentments, as long as you're full of resentment, you can't see, you're totally blind to the positives that are in your life. Therefore, the first thing is to count your blessings. Be grateful for what you have and get into what is known as payback mode. You get this irresistible urge to pay back to every single element that has contributed towards your welfare. And this is the first sign of spirituality. As Charles Dickens says, reflect upon your present blessings, of which every man has plenty, not on past misfortunes, of which all men have some. It's a beautiful statement. So this is the beginning of spirituality.